Alright guys, sorry about that, my power went out. Power went out, everyone's bread's still there. Yeah, power clicked off and I said, what the hell? And it wouldn't let me relaunch the same stream, so I had to make a new stream. This price action just stuck in this range here. Back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Let's break this 4-hour fair value gap here down in quadrants. See how it looks. So we need a GAN box. So we want 25, 50, 75, and 100. And let's move them labels over here. So we're at the 25 point. The high would be 25,248. Look at the hourly here. Do have an hourly high right here. Interesting area of liquidity. So we got buy side there at 196. So we'll go 193. Looking to see if we can inverse this 1 minute. So when we did just inverse that 1 minute. So I'm gonna set to sell one up here at this high. See if we can get up there and get out of this range. I'll go ahead and move my stop up here into profit. We're hitting this psych level of 25,100. Hopefully we just push right through here. Come on, push us through 25,100. When we inverse this 1 minute fair value gap here, that was my intention that I said before, that if we had inverse this bottom 1 minute fair value gap, I was going to try a short, but if we had inverse this top, I was going to go long, and the power went out right when that got inversed. And once the computer boot back up, I saw this big retrace and this hold of this 1 minute fair value gap here, where only we had the wicks come below the low of the fair value gap, so the bodies didn't close below, and that's what I based my entry off of there. So right now, targeting the equal highs up here. So we have some buy side sitting up here, and then we have a 1 hour high, which I need to bring into view there. So we have a 1 hour high up here, which should be ultimately the second target. So we need to get over that psych level that we're currently battling at now of 25,100. Funded night, are you talking about for the giveaway? The giveaway entries will open up at 11 o'clock, and the command will be exclamation point target smashed. Almost there. If we close above this high up here, I'm going to move my stop up even more into profit. Come on, push us here. You're over that psych level. Let's get the show on the road. Just a little bit more here. We did close above that high. So I would like to wait to see if we take out these highs over here before I actually move up. But with how much I lost on that last trade, I'm going to go ahead and move up some more into profit. Get a little bit more here, a little bit more. Come on, hit that first TP. Oh, edging me by 2 ticks. 1 tick. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. I'm going to move you down just a tiny bit. Right there. There we go. We're filled. Moving stop up on the runner. Nice reaction there. Nice reaction. Give us a big breakout here. Big breakout to the upside. So we got about 23 minutes here before the giveaway will start. 23 minutes. Let's see if we go for that 1 hour high up there, which would just be shy of closing out that 4 hour fair value gap. You know, so we got the 4 hour fair value gap here on NQ, a gap that's looking to get filled. And if we take a look at the 1 hour, we have this 1 hour high. That's a nice move there. Nice move. Almost up 100 points from this entry. 360 ticks. I'm going to trail my stop up a little bit more here. Let's see if we can push all the way up there to that 1 hour high. Looking good so far, looking good. We did have SMT though on NQ. We took out this 940-ish high, 945, 948. But on YM we did not take it out, and ES we did not take it out. So we do have some SMT that is formed there. Let's see if this level holds here. If price comes up and closes above this high of here, we get a nice candle body close up here. I will trail my stop up under this second down close candle low here. This one here, sorry, showing you guys on the small chart. So if we get this current candle, if we close above and we get the break shift structure here moving up, I'll trail my stop up even more. So far so good, looking good on this trade. We did not get a closure above that high, only wicked above, so I'm looking for a candle body close above that high for confirmation. There we go, there we go. Push it, push it. On that move there, even if we don't close above, I'm going to go ahead and trail. I like the displacement. Look at that candle. The low there is 1925, so we're going to go 1875. There we go. There we go. Come on. We're up 400 ticks or 100 points on this trade from that entry. ES just took out that 940-ish high there. YM, we're waiting for it to get with the picture. We're continuing to pump here on NQ. Let's get up there to that hourly high. That's what I'm looking for. With how much range we're having here, I'm trailing my stop some more. Maintaining some of my drawdown, not giving it back. Up about 450 ticks now from this entry. Need about another 30 points here to hit that 1 hour high. Very clean movement here once we came down here and manipulated that range to move higher. So going to continue to hold here, looking for the 1 hour high. YM finally got with the picture there, gave us a new high on the 1 minute. So YM, we got a new high. NQ definitely got a new high, and ES did take out that high as well. So now all three are trending nicely together. Need a little bit more of a push here to get to this 1 hour high. Just a little bit more. About 20 points or so. Up about 500 ticks now from our entry. Come on, push us up to that 1 hour high there. That's what we're going for. Almost there. About 13 points to go. Are we going to get a target smashed, y'all? If we hit this, let's get some targets smashed or some W's dropped in the chat. Either way, whether I get stopped or whether we hit the TP here, it'll be a good trade. But this is supposed to be my lucky number. 375. If you guys notice, I set a lot of my TPs as 3.75. I don't know why, but I just do. Come on, give me this big, beautiful flagpole that you have formed here. Let's see that break to the upside. Don't give it back. Don't give it back. Come on. Not sure what you're talking about, body man. Someone who convert account with you? No idea what you mean. We got psych level there, 25, 150. Let's see if it holds or we push through it. Whether I get stopped or we go to TP here, still real good trade. What are you talking about, body man? And looks like we're going to get stopped in profit here. Stopped out in profit. Mike was muted again. I still don't know what you mean, body man, but I don't think anybody in here is trying to do it. Don't really approve of converting or whatever you're trying to do. We'll go with the lucky number, 3375. Giveaway starts in about 7 minutes here. So we do have a change in the state of delivery here. You can see these two down close candles, order blocks. We did close below that. But that is just a short time frame there. Make sure you guys are actively chatting and not just typing bread. We learned that just by typing bread, it doesn't give you the points. There you go, Johnny. Here we go. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it, inverse that 2 minute there. Inverse that 2 minute you tapped into before. That's what I want to see. But we do have that psych level of 25,100 that we need to push under. Get us under 25,100 here. Giveaway starts in 2 minutes. We'll open the entries up. There we go. Push it for us. Up about 150 ticks here. Please ignore the raffle has been canceled message there from the bot. That's from yesterday's giveaway. I forgot to close it. Forgot to close it out. We need to get under 25,100 psych level here. We need to clear that for continuation down here. All right, I'm opening the giveaway up, guys. It is now 11 o'clock on the head. It'll run for 30 minutes. You must have 25 bread in order to enter, starting now. And this giveaway prize is a 100K swing account evaluation from Fidus Prop Firm. So it looks like we did slightly inverse that 2 minute there. Just barely. Whoops, wrong one. So let's see if price will hold below that level there. Come on, flush us down here. Flush us down. Set some alerts here to be alerted when we make new lows. Yeah, looks like you guys got more bread from chatting actively. No, it's only one ticket per person to keep it as fair as possible. Just one ticket per person. There we go. Flush it. Flush it. New low there on NQ. Should have taken it off on that low break. We got a new low on NQ, but not a new low on ES or YM. So get us under the psych level of 25,100. Come on, push us. Push us a little lower here. There we go. I'm flattening that, guys. I just flattened everything, and you want to know why I flattened it? Because now all these Apex accounts are all over the minimum drawdown amount. And I definitely have 8 days traded. So the question is, do I take a payout for $500 out of each of these 20 accounts and secure a $10,000 payout? Or do I keep going for the $40,000 payout? Y'all tell me. Vote on that poll. Jogglemeister, so some prop firms allow people to win multiple times. Some other prop firms do not. So FIDUS hasn't told me or told Save on Prop Firms any specific rules um, about that. So, I mean, technically you could win 2 days in a row. We're going to do the spin wheel again today. So, I mean, it's completely random. I copy the names that entered the giveaway into spin wheel, and we spin it, and it's about as fair as it can be. So, unless they tell me otherwise, I don't see why that wouldn't be a problem. Taupe, you have to actively chat and be active in the chat. So you still have about another 20 20 minutes here before the giveaway closes, so you have plenty of time to make that 5 bread. So I'm going to go take a break real quick, use the restroom, and I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Got 8 minutes left to enter here. Was on the phone. One of family friends just had a baby. Happy and healthy little girl. Good to hear. Bring in that trade sinker P&L for today, 20,345. I think I might be over consistency on these Apex accounts though. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to request because I made 860 today of 2,500. So right now I'm at 34% consistency and it needs to be at 30% consistency. So I'll probably have to trade tomorrow before I can request. I need about roughly 300 more dollars. I need 52,900 to request with the current day's profit. So I don't think Apex's system even lets you request unless you're under 30%. So still over the amount needed. Have all my drawdown. So highest profit day is 865 roughly divided by 30% would be $2,883. So I need roughly 300 more dollars looks like. All good, all good. There's that move lower after a bunch of consolidation there. Can't make any more profit on those accounts today, so did about $433, 440 on all the Lucid accounts, and about 865 on Apex and Tradeify. Have 4 minutes left to enter the giveaway before it closes. go ahead and pull this into view so everybody can see 3 minutes and 45 seconds here. About 3 minutes left. Nice sell there on NQ. About 2 minutes left here. You can only get one ticket, so 50 seconds. Twenty seconds. And entries are closed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these 19 users here. And we are going to put them in the wheel picker. We can see that we've got 19. I'm going to take them, paste them into here. You can see 19 have been entered. Inputs is 19. We had 19 users or 19 tickets. And we are going to go ahead and spin. Good luck to everyone. We are spinning, spin, 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 and the winner of the 100K swing account from Fidus Prop Firm is Taupe I90. Taupe I90, are you here? If you are here, please drop a message in the chat. Entry's already closed, guys. If you didn't quite make enough bread today, we will be on stream again tomorrow on Friday, and we have two accounts. We have a 150K swing account from Fidus Prop Firm and a 50K intraday account from Trade Day. Taupe is here, so Taupe, I'll drop the instructions on how to claim the account. So send Save on Prop Firms on Twitter a message and tell them you won the account in today's stream. If you didn't win today, come back tomorrow. It'll be the same rules, but we'll be giving away two accounts. I appreciate you guys